ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಚೇತನ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಆಟೋ ರೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಡೈಲಿ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ರೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಟೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಟೋ. ಚೇತನ್ 2524 ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಲು. ಹಾಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಟೋ ನೋಡಿ.
ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ರೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಫೈನಲಿ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಟೋನು ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಹತ್ರ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಐತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಬರೋರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸೆಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಫೈನಲಿ 1 ನೈಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Say hi, bro.
Hello.
No plan B. Hi, bro.
ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಓಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಚೇತನ್ ಅಂತ. ಹೊಸದಾಗೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಬ್ರೋ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಿಮ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರಾನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೇ ತರಾನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Hail Mary, full of grace. Smack the bitch in the face, take her Gucci back and a North Face for a back. Chopper if she act. Funny with the money, oh, you got me mistaken, honey. I don't wanna rape you, I just want the paper. The pizza, Capisha, I'm out like the paper. Who's the brother called Mr. Macho? The head honcho. shit. Just the 2 hits. You're hitting the floor and me hitting the clips. Sucking on the top. Had the hooker begging for the dick. And your balls ain't ugly, love. My dick got rock quick. I guess I was a combination of House of Pain and Bobby Brown. I was jumping around and jumping around. After then I asked her who's the man. She said B.I.G. Then I bust in her E.Y.E. I let the niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the West Side ride the night. I started this gangsta shit, and that's the motherfucking thanks I get. I let the niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the West Side ride the night. I might just hit it down, that's all I know. I like bastards, love a melanin, talk, touching every talk. When I'm stepping in, 30,000 smooth on cinnamon. I had the Lambo, switch to the Barbie. I'm a gangster, but I like the party. I'm a freaky, no retarded. I'm a broken nigga, I'm going hard. That's why I like the yeah, like every time I see you, I feel like I'm on the TV, I can't fuck with them bitches, they be creepy. She be acting up, she always tryna leave me. But she a fuck, yeah, and she freaky. I have her acting up the ball like she needs it. I never had a bitch more than this, they be leeches. Raw pussy girl, it tastes like peaches. But she can have it, I don't need it. I'd rather have my money green like you. I don't get to niggas, cause they be capping. Disrespect me, you see what happened. I don't look at for one store snapping. Bullets flash.
Everyday shit around the way shit got me stressed. So I keep on the vest in case a nigga wanna test. I got no time for games cause I'm all grown up. You wanna joke, nigga? Laugh when you get blown up. And see how funny it is when your kids ain't got no father. But you played it sweet, now you floating in the harbor. Should've checked it, don't respect it for your health. Didn't think it was right, should've checked it yourself. Life is too short to get caught up. It's some dumb shit, nigga. One day, 40 years old, it's some dumb shit. Time for you out, you the true light, you see the light. Every day it's getting darker, then comes the night. Now what? Realize that you ain't got shit. Not long ago you was the man with some hot shit. So just keep the flow, yo, cause you already in this. Make sure your shit is right, kid, and handle your business.
I let the niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the West Side ride the night. I started this gangsta shit, and then it's the motherfucking thanks I